Wow. Splice very well. Hopefully I can. Wow. 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 Awesome. Hello guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today let's remake the X-Fighter. If you follow my channel, you know the X-Fighter is one of my favorite designs ever. Okay, along with other Star Wars paper airplane, the X-Fighter has been on YouTube for years, and today I decided to remake my old design and show you guys how it flies. With the new design, you guys will surprise it flies very well, much better than the original design. So let's begin. To make the X-Fighter, you need a piece of your letter size paper. If you do not have your letter size paper, that's okay. Use A4 paper and you should be able to make the paper airplane as well. Now, first step, let me fold the paper in half this way. Press the paper down. Alright, turn the paper this way and fold the paper in half again. Alright. Now I can unfold the paper and I'll start from the top edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And I'm going to press the paper down. Alright. Next step, just unfold the paper. Very simple. Flatten it down. Open the paper. Fold this upper edge to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Press down the paper and press backward. Alright, so we just finished the base for the paper airplane. Let's do a few more steps. I'll open this layer first, fold down, and then start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for this upper layer. Alright, and fold backward. Same step for the other side. Fold this layer to the right, or if you fold the other side first, you can fold to the left. Start from this upper edge, fold to the center crease. And now, repeat the same fold for the other layer. This is the last layer. So fold toward the center crease and press the paper down. Now, this step is tricky. Alright, so follow it carefully. So start from this upper tip, estimate about 2 inches along this edge. Right? 2 inches about here. And then fold this part of the paper out. Okay. So I'll fold straight to the edge. Okay. You can leave a small gap, but if you fold straight to the tip, that's okay too. So it depends on how you fold. We can create a different version of the plan. Now for me, I will leave a small gap here. While on this side, I will do the same thing. So to fold us and make sure that it matches, I'll estimate about 1/4 of an inch along this edge, and I'll start from this point and fold out. And fold this part of the paper backward. Okay, so I've finished one side. This looks pretty good so far. So I put the paper back again. Fold this part of the paper, this upper layer, to this side, and repeat the same fold. Now I have this below layer as a reference for me to fold this layer out to create a wing. So I just fold out. Now I do not have to estimate anymore because I have the other layer as a reference. Okay, same thing for the other side. This part of the paper I fold out, and I will estimate about half an inch along this edge. Alright, press the paper down. Okay, now I finish all the layers. I fold this part of the paper back. So this is what I have, guys. Okay, I can flip the paper over. They look very even. If not even, then you need to fix it. Okay, I will fix this a little bit so to make sure that all edges are lined up. Okay, so this is what I have. On the following step, that is very easy, but pay attention here. Okay, so I will put my finger here, my thumb here to hold the paper, and then I press down the paper here. Okay, I press down the paper and then push it in and fold out the paper right here. Okay, fold down. Make sure that both sides are even, so adjust the paper a little bit. If it's not even, this will not fly very well. So now I finished with this part of the paper. That's look fine. On the following step, I'm going to create the wings of the plane. Okay, so now we have two layers here. Hold these two layers together and fold up straight to this upper edge and along to this point. So fold it closely, fold slowly, and you'll be able to make it. Okay, so 4 layers, and you have another layer here, so make sure that you hold the whole part of the paper to fold up. So I'll just do it slowly. Okay, you fold up, press down the paper. Right, finished one side of the blend. I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, here we go. So I almost finished the paper airplane. You can make this, adjust it. You can put it up a little bit more so it will look nicer. Okay, adjust it so the body of the planes look balanced. If not, then you can just adjust it slowly. Okay, alright, so the plane is almost finished. Let's adjust the wings to have the plane fly better. First of all, I will fold this part of the paper up, this upper wings up like this, then I put it down. Same thing for this side. I fold up along with this edge and put it down. Alright, now it's look more like the X-Fighter, right? So this is the X-Fighter, the previous X-Fighter that I make. Okay, now we can adjust the wings to make it a better paper airplane. So let's do it this way. Okay, the upper edge, the upper layer, I'm going to create the stabilizer. So I fold this stabilizer up, estimate about 1/4 of an inch, and fold up. Okay, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Let's fold this part of the paper down, the below layer or the second wings here. Let me adjust this one. Okay, so now this is what we have for this side. Look cool, right? Repeat the same fold for the opposite wings. Okay, we have 2 wings here. Do the same step. Let me adjust the wings a little bit. One side and the other side the wings, of the same wings. So we have 4 wings in all. This is a very special paper airplane, guys. Okay, let's pull this one up. Rest out just a little bit. Okay, so here you go, guys. This is the X-Fighter. You can fly the paper airplane now, but it may not fly very well because there is one thing that we need to fix. This part of the body. I will fix this part of the body to make it look nicer and actually help the plane fly better. So I'll fold this one straight to this edge. I'll hold the paper airplane like this. Let me hold this. You see this part here? I'll fold in a little bit. Okay. I'll fold this way. And I fold to the other side. Okay. And now I can push this one back in. Let me fix it first. Okay, just simple push this one up like this. Let me fold the paper in half again. Now see, it should be a very simple fold, but I messed up the paper, that's why it's a bit hard. Okay, I'll hold the paper right here and I just push this up. And I can adjust this here. You see now it's much easier than the previous fold that I make. Now I can fold this one, push this up again. Okay. So here we go. This is it. I just need to fix this one a little bit more. Okay. And now you can see the paper airplane again. Alright guys, so this is the X-Fighter. I hope you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Again, this is a modified version of the original X-Fighter that's designed by me. And that is it. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.